up on your eye. I need to wipe that off. Look at it. Sleepy. Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing so well. It's currently about 8:30 in the morning and I woke up about 7:15 and just relaxed in bed, drank a cuppa and watched a few YouTube videos. Currently in my workout clothes and I've got a big drink of water and I'm going to get to doing a leg workout. I've actually got an outing planned today about 12:30 with some school friends, but in between now and then I actually want to have a really productive morning and get a heap of things done. It's not really nice weather at the moment out in Jervis Bay, so I can't be doing too much outdoors, which is a little bit sucky, but hopefully a cozy and happy day is on the agenda.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone.
This is the breakfast lineup for this morning. I've got a bagel, half with cream cheese, half with butter, because I actually ran out of my cream cheese, a decaf coffee with my vitamins and an orange juice. And I've actually got all seasons of The Hills on DVD, so I've started re-watching that again from the start, which I realize is very 2007 of me, but I'm going to sit here, eat my breakfast, drink my coffee, and chill out for a bit watching this episode of The Hills, and then I'll get on to doing a few chores around the house. Whether I'm going to work or it's a weekend, after I do my morning routine, I like to do a few chores just to keep the house looking nice and fresh and tidy. I'm just going to get in a little bit of reading before I head off. This is the lineup. This one I just started the other day. and it's actually pretty heavy, so just bear that in mind if you are going to read it. It's a book of poetry, and both that one and this one I got as part of my big Amazon book haul. It's in my January videos, so go check that out. This one I got ages ago. It's just my daily devotional, and this one is a new purchase. Burnout, Solve Your Stress Cycle, and it's basically about how to complete the stress cycle and deal with burnout. And I mean, I have a video all about burnout from January as well, so go check that out. But basically, it's something I'm trying to manage at the moment. So I'm on my way over to Huskisson. I'm going to meet up with some friends at the Jervis Bay Brewery. There's actually 2 breweries over in Huskisson. Well, they're technically in Woolamaya, which is the Huskisson sort of industrial estate. Jervis Bay Brewing Co. is one, and then the second one is Flaming Galah, and they're both really good. They do good drinks. Jervis Bay Brewery also has like food vans come there as well. I don't know if there'll be any food vans there today. I haven't had lunch, so I'm kind of hoping there will be, but we'll just have to wait and see. I just put up to Woolies at the marketplace, finished my lunch and drinks at the brewery, and it was fantastic. Such a good day. The food was delicious. Just got to quickly run in and grab a few bits, and I'll show you what I pick up. Okay, so I only picked up a few things from Woolies, which is good because there was heaps of people in there. Got myself a beautiful bouquet of flowers, some carnations, a bag of bread rolls for dinner. We are having burgers. And I also got a packet of snakes for Dave. And also for Dave, while I was at the brewery, I picked him up this 4-pack of their beers, and it's got 3 different beers in it, so I'm sure that he'll be happy when I come home with that little surprise for him. But I'm gonna go home now, put my flowers in a vase, and probably have an afternoon cuppa, because it's very unusual for me to have 2 beers during the middle of the day, so I kind of need a little bit of a pick-me-up, and it's probably time to watch a movie since it is raining and very gloomy outside.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I've...
Dave's just out in the kitchen making dinner. We're going to have a very easy yet delicious meal tonight. It is some beetroot burgers, and I just got into my pajamas. I'm gonna head in the bathroom and clean my face, and then we'll sit down, eat dinner, and have a relaxing and cozy night. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along on this dreary day with me in Jervis Bay. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I put out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. With that being said, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.